We are trying to figure out how many people will maximize the total revenue. I'll probably also find the price as well. We know how to find revenue. Revenue is R of X is X times P. Now let's look and see what's going on here. Pearson Travel charges $10. So cost is $10 for a trip to a concert if 30 people go. And then what happens? For each one person above 30, so like 31, the charge is reduced by 20 cents. So it only costs $9.80. And if you had 32 people, it would go down another 20 cents or $9.60. So let's find an equation for either X or P. And I think it's going to be best to find an equation for price. So what happens to the price? The price is $10. And it decreases, so I'm going to put a minus sign. It decreases 20 cents for each person above 30. So X minus 30. Now you have to play around with this to make sure you have the right equation. I had to think about it. I didn't just write it down. All right, let's look at this. X is the number of people. Let's say I have 31 people. 31 minus 30 is 1 times 20.2 is 0.2. That would put the price at $9.80. If I had 32 people, I'm just checking my equation. 32 minus 30 would be 2. 2 times 0.2 is 0.4. 10 minus 0.4 is 9.6. So it's working right. All right. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. But I want to figure out, I want to maximize revenue. And my revenue equation will be X times P. X times P, and P is 10 minus 0.20 X minus 30. So that's X times 10 minus 0.2X, and 0.2 times a negative 0.2 times a negative 30 is a positive 6. So this is X times 16 minus 0.2X. And that is 2X squared. I've lost it. You see. That's right. That's right. So that's going to be 16X minus 0.2X squared. And that's revenue. Now, what kind of equation is this? Is it linear? Is it quadratic? Is it cubic? Well, it's quadratic. And let's write it in decreasing exponent form. All right, guys, that's a quadratic. What else do I know about it? If I was to graph it, it'd be a parabola, and it would open down because you've got a negative coefficient on x squared. If you got a parabola that opens down, you've got a maximum. Well, that's what I'm trying to do, is maximize revenue, so this is going well. Now, where does the maximum occur? The maximum occurs at the vertex. And the vertex is x equal negative b over 2a. So negative b, that's going to be negative 16 over 2 times a negative 0.2. Negative over negative is going to be a positive. And I used my calculator, and I got 40. So 40 people, is that what I'm trying to find? How many people will maximize the total revenue? And the answer is 40. But if I might ask to find the price. And price equation is 16 minus 0.2x. So price equals 16 minus 0.2 times 40. Price equals 8.